Everybody. My name is Mercy, and I am back with a little bit teaching about the heart sounds. So this is, as you can see, this is like just like a video of how the heart pounds, and just to have an idea of what happens as the right atrium, the left atrium, the ventricles, and as you can see, like when the valves are opening and closing. So that one is showing like the atrium, that's the right ventricle. So you can see how the valves are closing and opening. It's more like they do simultaneously. So yes, so when you have pulmonic, we have aortic, we have tricuspid, we have the mitral,